Good morning kids. Let us do some more questions from sets. Already we have discussed differences. We shall do some more questions of the same type. Here A, B, C and D given. Okay, we have to find out first A minus C. Okay, what is A? Let us write first A. A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 32. These are the elements of A. And let us take C minus C. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Okay, now you want to find out A minus C. This is A and this is C. So what is A minus C? What we have discussed? We have to remove all the common elements that is present in C from A. That means any elements of C is present in A, strike off that and enter the remaining elements. So, any elements from C, if it is present in A, see 2, is it present in A? Not there. 4, yes, 4 present, not present. Coming to 6, 6 is present in A. So, we have to strike off 6. Okay, we should not enter 6 in A minus C. This is a common element of A and C. Okay, so 6 is present in A, 6 is present in C, we have to strike off this one. Next 8, not there, 10, not there. Again 12. 6 and 12 are present here. So, except 6 and 12, write down all other elements. 3, don't write 6 because 6 is there. 9, okay. 12 also not supposed to write because 12 also coming in C. So, go into the next element. 15, 18, 32. This is the way that you have to find out the differences. Okay, here given we want to find out D minus B. So, D is given 5, 10, 15 and 20. And B also given 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. We are going to find out what is D minus B. Okay, we have written D 5, 10, 15, 20 minus set 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, what shall we do? We have to find out any element that is present in B that is present in D. If so, that element should be cancelled. Any element of B, if present in D, you should strike off that, you should cancel that. Then remaining elements of D you write. D minus B means any elements of B is present in D, that should be cancelled. Okay, now let us see any elements of B is present in D. See 4, not present. 8, not present here. 12, not there. 16, okay, not there. 20 is coming. 20 is here. Okay, 20 is the element of B. 20 is the element of B, that is in B. So, when we are writing D minus B, B should be taken out, no? B should be cancelled. So, we should not write 20. So, except 20, remaining all elements comes in D minus B, 5, 10, 15. This is D minus B. Okay, let us move on to the next type. Here the question is, state whether the given statement is true or false. Here set A 2, 3, 4, 5 and B 3, 6 be equal to set 3, 6 are disjoint sets is given. So we have to see whether this statement is true or false. Okay, it is given disjoint sets. What do you mean by disjoint set? If the intersection of two sets is a null set, we say that they are disjoint set. So, what is a disjoint set? If the intersection of the two sets, means intersection of this one and this one. Here set given A and B. If it is a null set, then it will be a disjoint set. Let us see, is this whether A and B, intersection of A and B is a null set. Null set means no elements in that, means empty set. Intersection means common. Is there any element common for A and B? Yes, 3 is there. 3 is in A as well as in B. So, whether they are null set, whether A intersection B is null set? No. So, since it is not a null set, we can say that they are not disjoint. So, a set is, if two sets are disjoint, then their intersection is null set. If two sets are disjoint, their intersection is null set. A intersection B, we are finding out 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 intersection is 3, is in set 3. So, there is element, it is not a null set. So, intersection B is not a null set. So, if it is not a null set, A and B are not disjoint. Okay, they are not disjoint. So, given statement is false. Okay, let us see these sets. Set 2, 6, 10 and set 3, 7, 11 are disjoint sets. It is given, that is a statement given. So, here we will find out the intersection. Intersection of 2, 6, 10 and 3, 7, 11. It's a null set. There are no common elements between these two sets. Is there any common elements? No, it's a null set. So, the sets are disjoint. So, the given statement is true. Since it is a null set, since the intersection is null set, the given statement is true. So, in this way, you can find out whether the given statement is disjoint or not. Disjoint means what? They are having no common elements. Okay, if the two sets are disjoint, they won't be having any common elements, means their intersection will be null set.